and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to cut out another Tesla Model Y roof here. So you can see we've already got our Bison set up here at our Bison with our e-pump, and that is just chilling right there. We pushed our line through here, and it does take quite a bit of force to get that line through there because that bead on the back is very thick. What you're going to do is push it through, pull out here. I pulled the back molding off of here so you can see my line slips right up underneath there, no problem. And then just simply run it down the edge here, right on top of the molding like you would any other Toyota or Honda or whatever may be. Wrap all the way around, and then we are also going to grab our pokey stick that we already put away, because the pins on this guy are pretty stout and you don't want to try to cut through the guide pins on this guy. So we're gonna find our guide pin real quick, and it is right there. So we're gonna drive our stick that way when we cut across here, should drag us right across the top of that guide pin so we don't get hung up. So let's move this guy here a little bit over this way, because we're going to start cutting across the back. Actually, you know what, we'll start cutting up the side first. So I'm going to stick him right there, turn on our pump and let that draw down. We've got our Bison drag here. These should be available in the next week or two. As soon as they give me they are on the website, I will put those up in the links. So you can see we're slipping a little bit here. We're gonna let that kind of cut, because like I said, this glue is pretty thick across the back here. Give it a little bit of drag here, so and you got to give it a little bit to go through there. Stop right there so we don't damage our headliner. Then we take this guy, slip him up there like so, and now we will move this guy over here and go ahead and let that draw down again, and we'll cut across the back here. Cut right over the top of that pin. So missed that, which is nice. Get this up there. Just popped our U-lock out of there. Stick that back in there. Yeah, right there. Come on, there we go. Drop that in there. And that is that. And then pull this guy. I'm gonna move way up here, and we're gonna do the driver's side first. So scoot this guy over here, make sure we leave us enough room that we can get our guard in there in the corner. We'll let that draw down while we switch sides from the back to the front. like so. And back with our Bison, and I left my guards in the back seat. Rocking our ironhide covers here on the seats. Didn't need the back seat covered because the customer left it down. That was nice of them. So let's go ahead and we'll pull up this side here. We'll make sure we put our guards in place because again, we don't want to damage the headliner here. Drop our drag there and start cutting. Slip a little bit while we're cutting around that corner. Like so. And switch sides again here. Cutting out these roofs, you do got to move around a little bit more than a windshield because you have to optimize all your cutting angles, which can be a bit of a pain in the butt sometimes. Slip our guard up in there. And make sure you're going the right direction. And let's start cutting our other side here. We got that one a little close, so we're going to have to move it over a little bit. So let's go ahead and finish this cut over to our pin. Like so. There's our pin. Then we'll go ahead and we'll make another move. This should be the last one. I'm going to come across over here so it pulls back over to that pin in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and double guard this guy since we've got the opportunity now. Slide that in there. And slide that like so. And make our final cut here. Make sure you get above your guard. Slide that all the way over so we don't hit our headliner. And we should finish our cut right about there. And there is that final pin. And that, once again, is cutting out the roof on a Tesla Model Y with the WRD Bison with the E-pump. Get this guy lifted out of here real quick. Let's grab our cups, which are hiding right there. Let's go ahead and close this back gate. And find a spot where it's not cracked. Make sure our cups aren't moving or losing suction because you don't want to drop this back on the vehicle. And plant our elbows and lift straight up vertically. Step out of the door. And we're going to drop this guy right here on this rack. And that, again, is cutting out the roof on a Tesla Model Y with the WRD Bison and our iron hide seat covers. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.